Hi, everybody. Welcome to Tampa, Florida. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. The Leafs can close things out with a win here tonight, Ray.
You want to put this series to bed as quickly as possible? You've got the lead. It's time to finish it off.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. This is what you play for. Moments like this, you can feel the energy in this building, and we are underway. Turn that chance aside. Oh, and it's another save on the play.
He's like a backboard in there. Bang, bang, the puck's off him twice. He makes 2 stops. The coaches are pumped to see this kind of offensive zone forecheck. They want more of it.
Great poke check on the reach. The Leafs take it along the wall. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
Matthews can deke his way to the net and launch a quick shot before anyone can react. That's his shock and awe zone ability. Hedman's a star defender on his team's blue line. I'm expecting one of these 2 players to give their team the edge tonight. Guys, back to you.
Moves it quickly over to Kucherov. Here he is in front! Tampa Bay's got it from behind the net. Now he takes it over the line. Oh, huge open ice hit! And a strong effort on that play. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Takes a shot, and he comes up with it.
He was telling me this morning he worked on this in practice this week, making sure the...
Scores! The captain delivers!
As we get another look at this, James, check out the vision and the creativity to thread that pass right through onto the tape, and it's in the back of the net.
His pass was right on target and helped set up that goal there. That's his tape-to-tape superstar ability, and it was a pass that was not only accurate, but easy to handle.
Great reach with the stick in the neutral zone by Point. Off a stick and they can't connect. Here's a short pass to Point. The Leafs get a hold of the puck along the boards. Poked away by Sergachev. Taken by Point. And that's picked off in the defensive end. Tampa Bay's got a hold of it against the wall. With the stop. Mikheyev's got the puck in his own zone. Nice zone entry on the left side. Glove save made by Vasilevsky. Takes the pass. And no luck on that pass attempt. Picked up along the wall by Cirelli. Quick feed to Hagel. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Here's a shot. Scores! They came, they saw, they took advantage of the rebound and scored.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
Tampa Bay's now doubled their lead here in the first.
By staying on the play, James, has been the key for them. They've been aggressive, they've forechecked, and when they get a chance, they haven't missed.
The Lightning have control of the puck. Toronto's gained possession along the boards. Oh, and he whiffs. The Lightning have taken control of the puck. Moves it over to Perry. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Denies him!
Campbell's brilliance on display here. Great scoring chance, and he turns it aside.
Quick pass to Hall. Handles the puck. Toronto's got it now. He scores! Austin Matthews clutch.
Outstanding eye-hand coordination here. The puck pops up in the air. He watches it right onto the stick, and he slams it past the goalie.
Getting into the later stages of this period, the Leafs make their way back into the face-off circle, still in search of another goal. Puck picked up by Giordano. Moves it to Nylander. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Inside the final minute of the first here. Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck. Here's a shot! Gets a piece of it to keep it out.
Such a deceptive shot, Mark. Messier used to do this as well as anybody. Shooting the puck with the snapshot on the move.
That's the horn, and period number 1 comes to an end after a very entertaining 20 minutes.
Listen up, fans. For tonight only, all team jerseys are 50% off regular price with the presentation of your ticket stub. Get yours before they're all gone.
Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Lets it go. What a save by Campbell. The Leafs take it along the wing. Strong use of the body. Kucherov's moving the puck through his own zone. The Bolts are on the attack. Sends it over. Can't connect. And it's a quick pass to Chernak. Huge stop by Campbell. Centered out in front. Snaps one from the slot. Scooped up along the wall by Palat. On the attack along the boards. Moves it quickly over to point. Here's a shot and makes the save. There's the whistle as the puck is frozen up. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Tampa Bay's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Toronto's got the puck in their own end. The Leafs will play it from the defensive zone. And now he passes it to Mikheyev. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Here's a shot. Oh, and somehow he gets a sliver of it and keeps him at bay.
He's really enjoying the spotlight of being one of the league leaders in goal. You take more responsibility, you have to produce, and he seems to embrace it all.
Face-off looming as both centers get into position. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Here's a short pass to Mikheyev. Fires it into the offensive zone. Tampa Bay's got it behind the net. Slides it over to Cirelli. The Leafs pick up the puck here in the neutral zone. Takes it to the net. Excellent stick work on the play. Tampa Bay's on the attack. Puts it on net. Scores!
You get one, you get hungry for a second one. Even if you're not a goal scorer, you get that early. Now you want to hunt for a second goal.
Makes it a double on the play.
That's a place goalies do not like getting beat. Upper blocker, you should be able to get something on it. That doesn't happen, and it's in the net.
Tampa Bay gets themselves a big insurance marker here in the second.
I like the way that they've been playing, too. They've had control of the game. They've had the puck most of the night, and now that second goal gives them a little bit more comfort.
Scored by number 79,
Toronto's on the attack.
assisted by number 77.
Lets it fly. Kicked away. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Denies the shooter on that play. The Leafs Leafs gain possession. Here he is, wristed on net, and that's turned aside. Picking up steam in the offensive zone. And that's the hat trick. Listen to this place.
And here come the hats. I love this tradition, although I will tell you, they collect the hats up. They used to give them to us, and you're like, what am I going to do? I'm not wearing somebody else's hat. Hey, sometimes you just can't keep up to the puck. That thing is zipped by the goaltender and into the net.
The Bolts clearly aren't a fan of any mercy rule tonight, are they?
Now, when it's your night, though, go and enjoy it. You got a few goals, go get a few more. There's going to be some nights that it doesn't happen like this.
And now he moves it to Colton. Sergachev's got the puck. Couldn't complete the pass. Slides the pass over to Bunting. Oh, and they can't keep the puck in the zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Bunting's got it against the boards.
34 seconds.
Move to the middle. Denies him in close.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Hammers it. Wide of the net. Grabbed along the board by Sergachev. Makes the save. There's the whistle. We'll get a face-off after the goalie covers up. Just here in the late stages of this frame, Tampa Bay's got a 3-goal lead. The Bolts take possession off the faceoff. Lets it fly, and that one's turned away.
Campbell's played poorly. The forwards and defensemen have played poorly. You can wrap a bow around this one, James, and package it up. That's a bad night.
Centers are set, faceoff ready to resume play. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Oh, great glove save by Campbell. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain. Stamkos wins it in the offensive zone. Riley's taking it from his own end. Now into the offensive zone from the right side. Snaps it on net. Denies him in front. And the horn sounds to stop the bleeding, at least for a few minutes anyway. Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. The moment of truth has arrived for both these teams. Third period action set to go. Here we go, third period set to get underway. Simply too much to not enough at this point. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
The Bolts have been terrific through 40 minutes now. A comfortable lead that they'll just try to ease their way into the finish line.
Errant pass, and they can't connect. Quick shot. Denies them on the play. Campbell's going to hang on for a whistle. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. It's a 4-1 game. The Leafs win it in the defensive zone. Gets the puck over to Brody. Across the line and on the attack. Quick feed to Riley. Tampa Bay's got the puck along the wall. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Takes the feed. Manages to hang on. Quick pass to Cirelli. Lets it fly. And that goes wide of everything. Can't get it to go. Puck grabbed by Palat. And he'll likely feel that one in the morning. Tampa Bay's got it in the neutral zone. Here's a shot, and the traffic neutralizes that threat. Moves it to Marner. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. Moves it quickly over to Riley. Vasilevsky's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James. He needed to cover there.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. 4-1 is where we sit. A pretty one-sided affair. The Bolts win the draw. Tampa Bay's got it in their own zone. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's snapped away in the defensive end by Giordano. Slides the puck across. The Leafs move it ahead. McKayev's hauled down. Penalty on the way. Time for the official to pass down his sentence. McDonough's off to the box. 2 minutes for tripping. Played with fire. He got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
Toronto sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
First chance of the night for the power play. The guys are pretty excited to get out there and see if they can get on the board.
Here's a short pass to Foot. Colton's gaining momentum. With possession along the wall. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. Coming down the left wing and into the zone. Puck scooped up by Foot. Takes the feed. Here we go. It's a 2-on-1. And that pass goes off a stick. Now a quick pass to Mikheyev. Moves the puck along the half wall. Puts it on net. Traps that puck tight to his chest. From the right side, they gain the zone. Here he is in close. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that. Stuffs him again. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Who had the edge in Carlin Bain's mind? She's standing by with the answer.
Hedman's been buzzing, and he's been rewarded here. His name in the box score proves he's had a stronger night, guys.
Takes that pass back at the point. Quick feed to Nylander. Considered a win for the penalty killers as the power play fails to execute.
Well, no go on that power play. They were able to move the puck around, and I guess at times it looked dangerous, but just nothing really going on the power play. They let that one slip through their fingers.
Great reflex on display tonight on his part. In the final moments of this period, a lot of offense in this one, mostly from one side. We've got 4-1 to score. Couldn't make that one happen. Kadalowski, that's 3 consecutive goals.
Yeah, the goalie keeps looking over to the coach saying, why am I still in here? 3 straight for them. He's probably got about 2 seconds from the time that puck's delivered to find it. He can't see it, so he drops into the butterfly and hopes it hits him.
The Leafs are going to swap goaltenders.
I guess you can't pull the whole team, so you just pull the goalie. He's had enough go past him tonight.
The Bolts are on absolute cruise control here in the third.
Well, they've built such a large margin, you can use your whole bench and coast it in.
Points won the draw here in the open ice. Oh, hello! Comes up with the puck with a quick steal. Nice flick of the stick. Pass back to the point. Slides it diagonally to Killorn. Tampa Bay's got it along the wall. Quick pass to Hedman. Back at the point, they set it up. No room for that one to get through. Feeds it to Nylander. Puck sent over to Riley. And that pass attempt is deflected. Lays out to get in front of that one. Tremendous stick save by Vasilevsky. Here comes the pushback.
Matthews is looking for somebody to engage in a fight with. He can't find the right guy.
Picked up along the boards by Palat. And now it's grabbed by Cirelli. How did he stop that one? And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here.
Oh, I wanted another look at this one, James. I thought in live time the goalie didn't touch it, but that's just a piece of the puck turned away. Great stop.
Teams are ready to go, and we're about moments away from puck drop. Tavares has it in their own end. Feeds the puck across to Riley. Takes it at center. Here's a shot. That goes wide.
Toronto's frustration is starting to boil over here. Late in the third period, they know they're behind because they've missed too many scoring chances.
Oh, look at this chance. Shuts them down. And there's another stop. And that'll close the book on this one as the final horn sounds. Here we go. 3 apiece. They will play a 7th and deciding game next.
They got to be ecstatic. I mean, here they are. They push this series right to the limit. You win in Game 6. You feel like you've got some momentum when you start Game 7.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.